Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Come for vacation. Come from. Have fun. Spicy food. Import company. Bank teller. Owner. Kind. Work for. Worker. Playing football. Playing online games. Doing aerobic. Playing badminton. Playing cards. Doing karate. Making cakes. Making plans. Watching movies. Doing voluntary work. Hanging out. Working part-time. Make plans. Go on holiday. Take a picture. Save money. Go abroad. Go swimming. Get drunk. Go shopping. Play the guitar. Chat online. Go for a coffee. Listen to music. Restaurant. Supermarket. Hotel. Hospital. School. Fast food store. Bank. Bookstore. Cinema. Grocery shop. Coffee shop. Souvenir shop.